A while ago, somebody posted like a list of stocks that were down a lot, like 80%. And I went through the list and I found this company. I don't know how you say it. Chegg Inc. or Chegg Inc., right? And today, that stock is down in one day, almost 50%. Okay? Now, from the height, it is down like 92%, but I think when I saw it, when I was looking at it, it was like in the 30s, so it was already down like 70% when that list was posted. But even from that point of like, 36, it's down like 75%, right? And so I looked at this company because it looked on the financials, it looked interesting. I mean, look at the income statement, right? Revenues, and this was before the 2022 like was reported, right? So I was looking at this, right? 644 million of revenues, and then 776. But like, look at the margin. I always like look at the gross margin. So in 2020, 438 divided by 644, that's almost 70% gross profit margin, right? In 2021, 521 divided by 776, 67% gross profit margin. So I was like, man, this business is incredible, right? And they created income from operations. It was, significant amount of money, right? But of course, everything is in relation to the market cap. They were still unprofitable, but that's because of the interest expense, right? So I looked at the balance sheet and I'm like, okay, they have, more than $1 billion of debt. But at that time, the cash and short-term investments pretty much like covered the whole debt. So like, if you subtract it, it's like if they paid off all this debt, like, wow, we have a profitable company, right? So I'm like, what is it that they do? Like, what kind of business is this? So then I started reading it, and then it was like millions of people all around the world learn with chegg. Our mission is to improve learning and outcomes by putting student first, right? So I'm like, we support long life learners, right? Starting with their academic journey and extending throughout their career. The chegg platform provides products and services to support learners and their academic course materials, as well as their career and personal skill development. So I was like, okay, so this company helps students learn, right? And it sounds great, right? It sounds great. But from my years of teaching, my years of spending time in school, here's what I do learn. People are not interested in learning, right? They're not interested in learning. They don't want to learn. Like, people don't want to exercise their brain. Like how, I mean, you tell me, you went to school. How many people in college are interested in learning? They're interested in getting the diploma because they think that the diploma is going to get them a job. That's what they're interested in. Like, if they were interested in learning, they would actually want to learn the things that they're learning. And if you're interested in learning, you don't need to go to school. You can just learn. But people are not interested in learning. People are just, they want to get a diploma, right? So I'm like, I know that their mission to improve learning, like, in other words, why are people signing up for this product? Right? Why? Like, I know it's not because they want to learn. There's something there. Well, then later I found out that pretty much they use this platform because it helped them cheat. It helped them cheat, and they punch in a bunch of keywords, and it helps them. It helps them do their homework, right? Write their essays. I'm like, okay, perfect sense. And I know there's people out there that do want to learn, but when we're talking about public companies that need to grow, like I've been a dance teacher. I don't do this anymore, but like for 25 years. And I tell you this, I haven't found very many people that are interested in learning, right? And now here's a company that needs to grow and find people that want to learn. I don't think so. I don't think it's going to be that easy. But if you have a product that helps people cheat, oh yeah, that's going to work. That's going to get you students until there is something else. Chegg shares drop more than 40% after a company says Chat GPT is killing its business. Oh, I get it. Students found a better way to cheat, and that is killing their business. You see, that kind of common sense was enough to keep you away from stock like that, right? A product. Is this product something that helps society? Is this a product that can be replaced by something else? Probably, and that's what happened. So sometimes common sense keeps you away from situations like this.